Here's the one puppy. And he's stuck on here.
What's up, guys? Back here in the Menominee River, currently in Marinette, Wisconsin on Stevenson Island. Not many people fishing today. It's kind of a gloomy day. A lot of suckers are up now. Walleye are kind of thinning out up here. I'm gonna come along here, dive, clean up a lot of line and lures, see some other fish, probably sturgeon. But I've been up here diving twice already. Let's go see if we can find some more.
And today I remembered my anchor. Go pack out. Whoa, that's a big one. Well, this is a big lamprey. So this thing is about 2 feet long. And I got a big hook on them. They suck on stuff. Wow. Look at that. Put that in there so don't lose your lures. I'm thinking we might see some more lampreys today. God no. Here's the one puppy, and he's stuck on here. So mud puppy, we just set him free. He's gonna have some scarring back there, but he's free. Oh, yeah. Couple lures here, a lot of fire tiger, that's for sure. Get off me. Get this line out of there. That's how it all gets wound up like that. Wonk, wonk. The temperature is about 42 degrees. Booyah. They're so nasty, I got 3 hooks in me. Oh shoot. There we go. Pull that out. Boom. Oh, Well, that was cool. Never fed a musky before. So just saw a dead mud puppy. Could not save that one, but we saved one earlier. Get this line out of there and we'll save so much more. Okay, line, get off me. Okay, get in the line. There we go. That sucker. A nice lure. Where's her at? What's up, guys? Just got done diving in the Menominee River for about an hour and 15 minutes. This is what I found right here. A lot of lures. I'm guessing about 160. Get them home, cut them up. Just got them right out here, right on the same spot. Kind of already did twice already. And found some really cool ones, especially these newer reef runners right there. Found two of them close together. Great dive. Water temperature about 42. Go home and clean them up. While I was in the water today, I actually petted about a 3-foot musky a couple times. I saw two huge lampreys that were just chilling on the bottom. I grabbed one of them and it was big. Also saved a mud puppy, saw another mud puppy, saw a lot of crayfish, was able to set one free. Awesome dive, fun time. Great to be back in the Menominee River.
Definitely like seeing all the colors. Turned out that I found 186 lures today.